Hi, my name is Jan Sabat, and for almost 25 years, I've been implementing lean management and Six Sigma in manufacturing, logistics, and service organizations. I've worked with thousands of people at all organizational levels, helping them improve processes and solve real problems. In this short video, I will explain what Lean Six Sigma really is in a simple, practical, and straightforward way. No unnecessary jargon, no overcomplicated theory, just the essence. Let's begin. Lean Six Sigma is a set of methods and principles that help organizations solve problems and improve processes. The goal is to work faster, better, cheaper, but, and this is key, not harder. Lean Six Sigma follows the principle, not harder, but smarter. Lean focuses on improving flow and eliminating waste. Six Sigma focuses on reducing variation and increasing process stability. Together, they give organizations a powerful system for achieving better results with less effort. In most organizations, people are trying their best, but a poorly designed process blocks their effort. Lean Six Sigma was created to reveal hidden waste, identify the actual root causes, organize the workflow, stabilize processes, and create a work environment where people can perform at their best. It helps us see the process as it really is, not as we wish it were. Lean is based on a straightforward idea. Anything that does not add value for the customer is a waste. Lean focuses on shortening process time, removing unnecessary steps, organizing workplaces, defining clear standards, improving material and information flow. Tools like 5S, one-piece flow, Kanban, or value stream mapping make processes easier to understand and more efficient. Lean simplifies work instead of making it harder. Six Sigma focuses on quality and stability. Its mission is to ensure that a process produces consistent, predictable results. Six Sigma uses data not to complicate things, but to understand why a process sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. The entire concept of Six Sigma is based on a specific error metric. At the Six Sigma level, a process produces 3.4 defects per million opportunities. That's near perfection. But, and this is important, you are not expected to reach perfection immediately. The goal is to reduce variation step by step, making the process calmer, more stable, and easier to manage. Lean and Six Sigma complement each other perfectly. Lean improves speed and flow. Six Sigma improves precision and stability. Together, they deliver results neither could achieve alone. Fast processes, stable processes, fewer errors, lower costs, and delighted customers. This combination is why Lean Six Sigma is so widely used around the world. Lean Six Sigma doesn't only change processes, it changes how people work. Teams notice problems earlier, use facts rather than opinions, work together to solve issues, follow a clear structure like DMAIC, implement improvements continuously. This creates a Kaizen culture, a culture of responsibility, engagement, and constant development. Lean Six Sigma works anywhere there is a process. It performs excellently in manufacturing, but it also delivers strong results in logistics and warehousing, shared service centers, customer service, quality departments, HR and administration, service organizations. Wherever people perform repetitive tasks, Lean Six Sigma can create value. If you want to go deeper into Lean Six Sigma and learn how to apply these tools in real improvement projects, I've prepared a 26-hour practical course. Inside the course, you'll find Lean tools, Six Sigma tools, 5S and workplace organization, process improvement techniques, data analysis fundamentals, teamwork strategies, and complete DMAIC project execution. You'll find the link to this 26-hour course in the description below. In the same description, You will also find links to all our other trainings and courses so you can continue learning in the areas that matter most to you. If this topic resonates with you and you want more practical Lean Six Sigma content, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and publish even more high-value materials for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, work not harder, but smarter.